that bow, bow, bow. Pretty bitch, I'm tryna hit her with that bow, bow, bow. Can't catch me slipping, I'ma up it when I bow, bow, bow. And bitches dance, I throw them bands and make them dance.
Hi, Ate Mara, Captain Mara, happy birthday. I wish you all the best and many more birthdays to come. May your birthday filled with joys and happiness, and I am grateful that I am one of your angels. Happy birthday. Stay young and busy.
Hello, Captain Mara. Happy birthday po sa'yo. Wish ko lang po na sana bigyan ka po ni Papagat ng more birthdays, success, love, especially po enjoy your day. Yun lang po. Salamat!
Hello! Happy birthday, my dear Captain Josmara. Wish you more birthdays to come, more candles to blow. Enjoy your special day. Nandito lang po kami. Nandito lang po sa tabi-tabi. Sana magtatagal pa ang magiging in love niyo sa isa't isa ni bro. God bless you always.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Mara. Wish ko sa iyo ay more blessings to come at lalo-lalo na sa health mo. Sana ay maging maganda na ang health mo at gumaling ka na sa mga nararamdaman mo. Happy birthday na. Thank you sa lahat and more blessings to come. Happy birthday.
I would like to greet to our Captain Mara from Angel family. And happy birthday and more blessing to come. Enjoy your day, Captain, Super Captain Mara. Yahoo!
Hi sa kapitan namin dyan, Kap Mara, happy birthday to you. And God bless you always. More birthdays to come. Once again, happy birthday, Kap.
Ayan. So, ang tagal ko pinag-isipan ko anong sasabihin ko. Sabi ko gagawa ako ng script para dito, pero hindi ko pa rin nagawa. Ang ending dito ako sa opisina magbi-video. So, yes. So, happy birthday sa aking kapatid, BFF, taga-kapakinig, kakampi, ang aking tagapagtanggol, ang minsan pag pinagsusumbungan ko, mas galit pa kaysa sa akin. Salamat sa iyo, salamat sa suporta, salamat sa pagmamahal, mahal kita. Alam mo yan, ang wish ko sa iyo, lagi kong wish sa iyo is the best of everything, your health, your happiness, your love life, your career, everything. Sana lagi kang masaya, lagi kang malusog, lagi kang nakatawa. Mahal kita at happy birthday sa iyo, BFF. I love you.
Hello po! Just dropping by to greet this most amazing, generous, and beautiful ate of Angel Harmony family. I wish you a blessed and happy birthday, and may God grant all your heart's desire. Kung ano man po yung mga prayers mo, I know God will answer that in the perfect and right time. And I miss you. Naiyak ako. Naiyak ako. I miss you all, Angel Harmony. Miss you po. And sana maging happy ka always. Stay healthy. And yun po. Love po kita always. I may not there always, but You're always here. Stay here in my heart. Sabi niyo po yan. Love you.
Hello Ate Mara, happy birthday. Happy birthday sa'yo. Ang wish ko talaga is yung health mo. Ingatan mo yung health mo. And then, maging masaya ka lang palagi. Alam ko namang may nagpapasaya sa'yo, pero gusto ko pang mas maging masaya ka pa sa buhay. Lahat naman tayo, kahit anong edad, may wish pa. Sana matupad mo yon. And then, happy ako na happy ang puso mo. And then, ang masasabi ko pa is, kahit hindi ako laging nakakausap, hindi man ako laging nakakausap, pero nandito pa rin ako lagi para sa iyo. And then, sa PAM natin, sa Angels Harmony, wini-wish ko talaga magtagal pa yung PAM natin dahil tayo yung bumuo nun, tayo yung nag-start ng kung paano mabuo yun, nag-usap tayo kung paano mabuo yun. Kaya yun, sana magtagal pa, at kahit na anong mangyari, ate, nandito lang ako para sa'yo. Nakasuporta itong co-captain mo ng Angels Harmony. Happy birthday!
Hello po sa lahat. Gusto ko lang pong batiin ng happy birthday ang aming kapitana ng Angels Harmony Family, Captain Jasmara. Ate, wish you all the best in life and good health. You may have more birthdays to come, and God bless to you. Thank you so much for everything. We love you, Ate. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Hello guys! Ayan, gusto ko lang batiin ng happy birthday ang tart ng buhay ko, ang pinakamagandang babae, gorgeous, pretty, beautiful na babae sa buhay ko. More birthdays to come. Alam mo na, kahit marami tayong pagsubok na pinagdadaanan, nandito lang ako, hindi kita iiwan. At yung health mo, alagaan mo, kasi nandito ako naghahantay sa'yo. Gusto ko lang malaman mo na kahit hindi tayo nagkakaintindihan sa ibang araw, lagi mong tatandaan na nandito pa rin ako para sa'yo. Mahal na mahal ka. At yung health mo, please lang, manom ka maraming tubig. Pinaalala ko sa'yo araw-araw yan. At huwag ka na magpuyat kasi nakakasama sa'yo yan. Basta stay healthy. Mahal na mahal kita. Nandito lang kami, Angels Harmony, mga tigidong nasa likod mo. Ulaga. I love you. Happy birthday.
Hi Ate Mara, happy birthday. Wishing you a year full of happiness and positivity, at syempre peace of mind. Yan lang. Happy birthday again, Ate Mara, and enjoy your day. Mwah!
Birthday Tita Mara, wish ko po sa inyo good health and more blessing to come. Yun lang po. I love you.
Happy birthday, Ate Mara! Today you're given another opportunity to blow out candles. I'm sure you are grateful because it means another year of joy and greater opportunities for you. Make every day of your life count and enjoy every moment. Greetings from Oman, Sarah and Chari.
Oh, yeah.
Happy birthday, Tita Mara. Stay healthy and sexy. I love you.
Happy birthday to you. Hi Mara, we hope you're very much happy upon receiving our heartfelt greetings for your birthday this May 2024. My wish for you is to have a blessed birthday. We love you. God bless us all. Take care always with your family.
I love you.
I love you. Happy birthday once again.
Okay.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, dear Almara. How young are you? I want to say a happy birthday to our Princess Elmara, and I hope that you found your happiness in life, and I hope to see you again. Love you.
Happy birthday, ate. May all your dreams come true. May you have good health and stay happy.
Ayan, hello. Ito na naman tayo. Dagdag edad. Ayun. So, masasabi ko lang sa aking anak ay happy birthday and marami pang more birthdays to come. Ayan. Ang magkaibigan, magkapatid, magnanay. So, lagi mo lang tatandaan na ikaw ang aking pinakamamahal na hiyas sa aking buhay. Kayong magkakapatid. So, lalo na't ikaw yung panganay kahit na nagkakaroon tayo ng alam mo na, ganun talaga. Siyempre, pag walang hindi sumasarap, di ba? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Love you so much. Stay healthy.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear mom. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. We love you. We love you. Yeah. Yep, facts.
We love you. Happy birthday.
Okay.
I would like to greet you a very happy birthday. I am forever grateful. Enjoy this day with your family and loved ones, and may you live for 1,000 years. Happy birthday.
So